Yeah, my name is Ute Meta Bauer. I'm a professor for contemporary art in Singapore, but I also have a practice as a curator since about 30 years. I've been traveling through Saudi Arabia, which was very essential for me to also understand a country that is so fast and diverse that I have not been experienced long before. The Biennale takes place in Diriyah, so to be in this juxtaposition of a very, very old site and then a very contemporary place like New Diriyah, that was very important for me as a point of departure. So the title, After Rain, for me and also for the Biennale is also a moment of renewal, kind of like a relief moment. So we want to give also with this Biennale a sense of like departure, of a sensorial experience.